Hi, it's Brenda. Here's another cleaning video. No, that's not me cleaning. That is one of the wonderful people who is helping me get into the apartment. It's starting, yay! Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? So while we watch her clean, I thought I'd give some updates.
This isn't nearly as dirty as it is. I mean, it's not even really just dirty. It's just got schmutz in it.
Yeah. So this lady is a sweetheart. She has a heart of gold. She has got the most amazing laugh, and she comes up with better words than I could ever hope to. She is just an absolutely amazing person. Do you want the vinegar so you can rinse that out again, or? Probably could fill the sink with water, do you think? I'm struggling with just watching her and not helping. What do you think? By the way, I'm recording you.
You're gonna bleep out a lot of
Bleep. I'll bleep.
Ooh, that's some hot water.
It gets hot over here.
Good.
Her laugh is just so infectious. So, updates of what's happening. In my last video, my dilemma video, I did post some of this information in the comments, but I know not everyone can read the comments. They can't access it on their phone or whatever. So I thought I would tell all of you folks while we watch her clean, while she and I gossip.
It's not wonky. I don't like how she folds it.
It's not done this way.
It's not done my mom's way, is what happens. Oh man, like that's the reason why I'm so neurotic about certain things too, is because my mom's like, oh, you gotta refold that.
Yeah, she is a character. So, the boy and I had a long talk. He felt that it would be better all the way around if I could get into the apartment before anything else happened. He also agreed very strongly that I shouldn't be doing anything, as have the doctors. It isn't taking a whole lot for me to feel badly again, and until we get all the tests done and everything else done, that means I become a lump, which isn't fun, but been here, done this. I guess I'll get used to it again. Do you want a chair? Oh, to be young again. You're gonna be brave. I'm pretty sure this lady is klutzier than I am, most of the time. If you fall through the window, I'll call someone.
Let's hope not.
I've heard some of the stories over the past several months of her coordination, or lack thereof.
And it'd be the second time I've gone through a window.
I've heard this before.
Just the second time.
At least it's not a swing set.
Right. That was probably my proudest moment.
I have microfiber cloths that work great for cleaning, but they're somewhere in the shed.
So as you can see,
Oh wow, look at that.
it takes just a little elbow grease. Just gonna do shimmy.
I'm seeing that.
There, no strings.
That's what we're missing are some tunes.
I don't know if we want to play my tune.
It's true.
Sometimes it's a little offensive. Just sometimes.
Are you gonna be brave up there? Or
Thinking about the best way I could do that.
do you want to do the cobwebs before you wipe up there?
I'm gonna do the cobwebs first.
Just to save. Look at that cup. And this would be why I always clean any place before I move into it.
Oh, would you look at that? Would you just look at that?
There's a wall behind there.
Holy cow. All the little itty bitty cobwebs.
You don't know how much I appreciate this.
You know I do it for you.
You're gonna be my best friend for life. Hey, I know you guys saw my house in the beginning of this journey, But there is a big difference between living with your own dirt and living with the dirt of strangers. And that's something I just can't stomach, especially we don't know what's going to happen with my health. And honestly, I don't want to go back to that dark place again. I'm done with that and happy where I am now.
You should feel honored though, because I don't even do this much detailed cleaning of my own house.
I do feel very honored. I do. Appreciate it. I truly believe that because of this journey, this channel, and you folks, my mental health has improved by leaps and bounds, and I do not want to slide back downhill, despite what my physical health is doing. And speaking of which, the boy did bring up a very valid point during our long talk. He did remind me that during one of my little health episodes, it did require more than just a procedure afterwards, so that required a longer stay in the hospital. When I first got home from the hospital, I couldn't be alone for the first week. If he had to move in and stay with me for a week, or if he had to work and we had to have someone else stay with me, it would just be much more comfortable all the way around if that could be in an actual home, an actual apartment with a separate bedroom, not just in one big bedroom with 2 beds in it. Plus, just recuperating for a few months in an actual home with a full kitchen will be so much nicer than a bedroom and bathroom, and nicer for the cats.
I'm wearing my glasses, so do you see any? Did I get them all?
Is that the wallpaper or is that cut? Sometimes I can't tell if it's...
I think it's a cutlet.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
It looks so much better.
I've only been in here for 5 minutes.
Seriously. And as much as I usually hate to admit it when the boy is right, he was right. Sometimes he's just kind of a smart person. I'm not sure how that happened. I will never admit he's smarter than I am. Alright, maybe I will. This lovely lady knows I have a YouTube channel, and she knows I'm recording her for it. She does not know the name of the channel and is willing to wait, however impatiently, for me to leave for Texas before I tell her. I do appreciate you coming over and doing this after your day at work today. She understands that I feel awkward with people who actually know me watching my videos. Yes, I hang it all out there for the world to see, but not for my family and friends. I know, I'm very odd. I'm getting excited to get in here. I can get it all done.
Right, I'm excited for you to be in here.
So, I am not moving into the new apartment. I am having a cat butt in my face. I am going to sit and watch others move me into the apartment.
See, this is why I need a secretary.
It's kind of hard to see in here. And seeing the white cobwebs against the white ceiling is hard.
Right, especially when I'm supposed to be wearing glasses.
Especially when you're supposed to be wearing glasses.
Okay, considering I don't wear glasses, I'm a damn good cleaner.
You are. Why do you think I asked you? So, what's the plan, Stan? This wonderful person will be coming over each night after work to clean for a little bit. I mean, to play with Addie. Gotta get my priorities straight. But we don't know exactly when it's gonna happen, but then several people will be helping my son move me into the apartment. It's all gonna be based on, their schedules, my stupid doctors and stupid appointments and stupid tests and stupid procedures. Can you tell I'm over it? But honestly, I'm not going to stress over the time. It's going to happen, and I'm happy and excited about that. And again, that's all you folks' fault. All of your encouraging words and wise advice really, really helped. Hey, leave her alone. Yeah, stop bugging her. Is she bugging you, Tally? I'm sorry, honey. Hey, you stop bugging her. And just because we can't have a video without some of this. Yes, tell her. Say, leave me alone. I read all of your very thoughtful, stop bugging me, comments and emails, and they just blew me away. That's not leaving her alone. Your eyes closed. You weren't sleeping. You aren't fooling anyone. Is she bugging you again, baby? Hey, leave her alone. She's gonna nail you. I should not still be amazed by your kindness and generosity, but I am. Go on, leave her alone. That's not leaving her alone. Kelly, hey, get those claws in. No claws. Hey, you're right by her eye with the claws. And so I had to stop that. And right when I think they hate each other, I find them like this, snuggled up, sound asleep. Honestly, I think I have the best family on YouTube. It's all of you folks. Thank you very much again for everything that you do. And Addie says thank you for always thinking of her. Take care and toodles.